for today in our program. We would like to thank you all, especially the Filipino Association here in this parish and also Greenwich for providing lovely spread for us for lunch. That's why we're able to sing so beautifully today. And thank you so much for such a warm welcome. This is our first time in this parish, and I think this will be the last. Thank you so much for spending this afternoon with us. And for our last piece, we have chosen Lead Me Lord, which is a very, very famous Filipino liturgical song. It's a heartfelt prayer for guidance, trust, and unwavering faith, composed by R.L. Nepal and arranged by Robert Delgado.
honestly, I didn't have any idea about the Haraya Choir until a few months ago. Yana rang me, said, Father, we wanted to book a concert with you. And I said, great. And here it is, they're here now. Definitely, this is not the last. I'd like you to come back in the autumn. Please, if you have a time. Mind you, we will prepare a better food. The Filipino community here will certainly make extra effort. Having seen during the performance, I have to close my eyes. I felt angels have come down to our parish to sing for us beautiful hymns. And I have to Google your name, sorry. According to the AI, our conductor is Colin Moreno Hayward, is the founder and artistic director and conductor of the Haraya Choir. Thank you very much. She's a product of University of the Philippines, graduated magna cum laude, and mentored by leading a choral figure in the Philippines. So thank you so much for sharing with us your talent. Please, on behalf of the Filipino community, police, and of the parish, I'd like you to come back. And I'd like to mention also Father Ron Milano. He's a Jesuit who is the king of music. He is the chairman, the leader of the Father. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Father Ron Milano. I'm a Jesuit and I'm studying here. I'm doing a master's degree on media and communications. I was the former director of Jesuit Music Ministry for 3 years, and then I became acting director of Jesuit Communications. So I was studying media and communications. Time I'm going to work again in the Philippines. There's only one word I keep on telling me earlier. I was listening to you. Napakahusay ko. Napakahusay.
Thank you so much. I wish the afternoon wouldn't end, but what can we do? We have still other schedule, but we don't mind if you can give us one final song.